In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Lucky Orange Shopify app. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside the admin area, go to the settings section and then click on apps. This is where you can manage app-related options for your Shopify store and begin adding new tools that help you track visitor activity and improve your store experience. From there, search for heatmaps and replays by Lucky Orange in the Shopify App Store. Be sure to select the correct app so you are installing the official Lucky Orange app for Shopify. This tool is useful because it helps you understand how visitors interact with your site through heat maps and session replays, which can give you helpful insight into customer behavior. After you find the app, click Install App. You will then be guided through the account creation process. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the setup. Once that is done, click Install again if needed to sync your store data with Lucky Orange. This syncing step is important because it allows the app to begin connecting with your Shopify store and collecting the information it needs. Next, return to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store. Then select Edit Themes. This will take you to the area where you can manage the appearance and functionality of your live theme. From here, click Customize next to your active live theme. Make sure you are working on the correct live theme so the changes apply to the storefront your customers are currently using. Inside the theme customizer, look to the far left sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This section lets you control app-based features that can be added directly to your theme without manually editing code. Once you are there, locate Lucky Orange in the list of available app embeds and toggle the switch to on. After you enable it, click Save in the top right corner. Saving your changes ensures that Lucky Orange is properly activated on your store and ready to begin tracking visitor activity. Once everything is turned on and saved, the app should be connected and working with your Shopify store. If you do not see data immediately, give it a little time, since tracking tools may need a short period before information begins to appear. That covers everything you need to know.